The cherry season is here and everyone loves cherries. Tart cherries are super beneficial for people with uric acid or with joint pains, and this cake is really easy to make and it comes out very delicious. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma, and to make this cake all you need is a few eggs. Make sure they are pasture raised eggs. You have to beat them till they are not yellow, they are like white and fluffy like this. And then you have to add butter and some sour cream. If you don't have sour cream, add a tablespoon of lemon juice to your cream. It will become sour cream. Add some vanilla essence and some lemon essence. It will give it a wonderful taste. Now add a low carb sweetener of choice. I am adding stevia extract and beat it till it is homogenized. It should not have any lump. Now for the dry ingredients, all you have to do is grind 2 almonds to make almond meal. Now add half a cup of coconut flour and some aluminium free baking powder. Add a pinch of salt and mix it with the fork. There should be no lumps. Lumps are not good for a cake. Once you have mixed up the dry ingredients and made sure they are lump free, add them to your wet ingredients. Mix it well till it forms a smooth paste. Now to the star ingredient, our cherries. I have 1 cup of cherries. I'll add half of it to my liquid batter, and the rest half I'll keep it for decorating the cake. Once you have mixed in all the cherries, now pour it into your mold. I have this heart shaped mold and I'm pouring my batter in it. I'll cook it for about 30 to 40 minutes, and I'm baking my cake in an air fryer simply because I have an air fryer. If you are making it in regular oven, it will come out good, I know that. Just make sure that your skewer comes out clean. Now this cake is done, and just for you I'm making it in a round pan also, because people are gonna say we don't have heart shaped pans and we cannot make the cake. Actually this cake was so delicious. I have made it a number of times in a number of molds. It can be used as a tea cake, or you can take it on a picnic and you can enjoy your picnic with this cake. Whether you make it in the round mold or in the heart shaped mold, it is wonderful. You can even top it with some cream and some cherries, and it gives such a festive look. You can pass it off as a birthday cake also. There are a number of ways to enjoy this tasty and very healthy low carb cherry cake. If you are making it in a heart shaped mold, it can easily pass off as a Valentine's gift for your husband or fiance. They will love it. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below, did you make this cake in the heart shaped or in a round shape? Did you top it with cream and cherries, or did you use it as a plain tea cake? Also, you must have noticed that this video is different from regular videos. Do you like my voiceover in the videos, or should I leave it without my voiceover? Take care till we meet next time. Assalam.